In this video, I will show you how to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. To get started, open any web browser on your mobile device. Once opened, type in the URL roblox.com/redeem and hit enter. Next up is logging into your Roblox account. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt asking for your username and password. Make sure you enter these details accurately. Once logged in successfully, you will be directed to the redemption page where a text field awaits your code entry. Carefully type in your promo code into the text box provided. Double-check for any typos as they can lead to errors during redemption. Remember that promo codes are case-sensitive. After entering your code correctly, tap on the Redeem button located right below the text field. A confirmation message should pop up indicating whether your redemption was successful. If successful, whatever item or benefit associated with that code will now be added directly to your account. You can check your inventory or account balance immediately after redeeming. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.